So any of you want to read out your page or have any question? Let's analyze. Because these few concepts are, these few understandings are basic necessity for the whole program to happen. For you to enter into, unless you are clear about these things, you will not be able to enter into the whole program intensely. And one more thing, clear understanding is a basic necessity for spiritual life. If you don't understand, you will make meditation also into a ritual. If you understand, even a ritual will become meditation. It is understanding that plays major role. Conscious understanding, clarity. If you have any question, you are welcome. Do not bother to ask questions. Yes, please ask.
You said that we are coming for different values as an explanation.
Love.
You said that we are coming in different values. Okay. Okay. Listen, he said we are coming in different batches. We're living probably with a lot of pain, and then we're coming back. And he said something about 3 days. In 3 days, we choose whatever it is our soul. Choose what which body we go. So means that we have a memory in the 3 days what we need or what we want. As you said, if you eat all the time, then you choose the parents or the body you want to be. So for 3 days we have a conscience. Now, we are in this life now. I don't know what, we don't have memory of our lives.
After entering into the body, you forget.
Yeah.
The moment you enter into the body, you forget what you have chosen, what decisions you made. The whole thing is forgotten.
What makes my life right now to come closer to you? Probably not to the previous life because already
Maybe you see, once the search is right, then you start seeing, then you start seeking. Please understand. Only when you become a little tired of the same game, if you become a little intelligent, start understanding, what am I doing? The same game. Nicely asked. I don't know who am I. I don't know that who is you. Actually, it is a beautiful mood. That happens. That's the greatest blessing can happen to anybody. That happens only when you understand how long I will be doing the same drama.
we don't know.
That's what, when you understand, when you become a little tired of the same drama, only then you start seeking. Then you start analyzing. What am I doing? Where am I going? Who am I? So, once the seeking starts, you start searching the master who will help you.
Yeah, we don't have the memory of the previous life, so this is what is missing. I guess if you have the memory, like we say, if I knew, I will do better, you know.
One thing, it's a nice right thing. People come and ask me, Swamiji, why don't you give me my past life memory back? Why don't you do something? I tell them, this last 40, 50 years memory itself is haunting you. You are not able to rest. This 40, 50 years memory. This itself is haunting you. You are not able to be peaceful. You are not able to relax. If you get one more, your past life memory also, what will happen? You will become mad. That's the reason God made us forget the past life memory. See, too much of files, you will not be able to handle. That's the reason the whole thing is happened in this way. One more thing, at least the basic lessons you can remember. The basic lessons which you learned can be remembered and practiced. You asked about the last moment. There's one more thing you should understand about this last moment. The moment when you leave the body, it's like your whole being will be boiled. Your whole being will be burning intensely. All those samskaras will come out. All those samskaras will start coming out. At that moment, practically you will see your whole life in fast forward. Your whole life will go in front of you in fast forward. So whatever incidents again and again you repeated, only those things you will be able to catch. Whatever incidents or whatever you lived intensely, only those things you will be able to catch. Whatever happened again and again, only those things you will be able to remember. What you remember, you will take body, next body according to that. That's why Gita says, the last moment, what you remember will decide your next janma. People think, oh, I can do whatever I want the whole day. Last moment I can think of some God. No. Never think you can think of Coca-Cola. Whole life you will say Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola. Last time you think that you will tell Ramakrishna. What you repeat in the whole day only will come in the end also. Because what you do again and again only will come up and stand there. Let me give you one more example, you will understand. In the dream state, when you dream, what happens to this whole world? It disappears. Only dream is experienced. You experience dream. In the dream state, dream look like a real world, and this disappears. Now, this looks like a real world, and dream disappears. Please understand, there is no scale to say this is reality and that is dream. One beautiful Zen story, one enlightened master, early morning when he got up from the bed, he started weeping. Disciples asked, why are you weeping? What happened to you? He said, no, yesterday night I dreamt as if I had become butterfly. Disciples asked, what for? All right, Father, you don't have to weep. Why are you weeping? That's after all a dream, forget about it. No, I don't know whether I dreamt that I have become butterfly or that butterfly is dreaming. Now it has become Zen master. I don't know the truth. And be very clear, we don't know the truth. Just because now you are seeing things in 4 dimensions. Universal Studios, they do a program at 4 dimensions. Shrek 2, they do the 4 dimension program. 4D. I went there to see that. You see, not only 3D, not only they give you the glass. If they give you the glass, it is 3D. You will see as if it is happening in front of you. 4D means the chair also shakes. Along with that movement, the chair shakes and they sprinkle the water and almost they give you the experience of what is happening. And that mummy returns, another one. So, and going back to the future. Back to the future. These guys are talking all these things on the Texas. You see, there they give you almost the feeling of that 4D. 4D experience happens. And especially that mummy, that bugs, they release the bugs into that. They show as in the scene, the bugs are walking in, coming into the theater. And they sprinkle water inside the chair. You feel really that bug is moving inside your body. You really have the feeling, the whole crowd shouts. No, I did not shout because I was not wearing the glass. I removed the glass. Actually, after 2-3 minutes I got bored. I just removed the glass. Anyhow, but I shouted in the roller coaster. I went in the roller coaster. That's a bit fun. First thing, my turban flew off. The turban flied. Then, actually, first when these guys are slowly inspiring me, Swamiji, let us go in that, it will be really nice. I said, no, I don't want to go in that and all. Leave me. No, Swamiji, it will be really fun, let us go. Then I said, all right, buy a ticket, I'll come there. I'll see when the people come out. If they are happy, then I'll get in. I'll see the expression of the people after finishing the ride, then I'll decide. I went there. When I saw that when they were coming out of the roller coaster, they are all excited, shouting, screaming, enjoying, big smile. I thought then it must be fun. I got into that roller coaster. Then I understood it's just like a marriage. Whoever is inside want to get out. Whoever is outside want to get in. Roller coaster and marriage is not the same. Whoever is outside, they always have a temptation. Why not go inside once? And whoever is inside want to get out. The earlier, better. Anyhow, because these guys are so joyful, I thought it must be fun. I got into the roller coaster. First thing, the turbine flew off. And it is going this side and that side and top, this, that. Suddenly when it came, it stood. When it stopped, I saw that myself, I was also shouting. Not because the roller coaster, it stopped. The joy is because, oh, enough God, now it ended. It stopped. Then I thought, let these fellows also go. The people who are waiting, I screamed, I told, go. It is nice, go inside. It's real fun, go inside. And then later on I realized, people were screaming and shouting not because of excitement, but because the roller coaster ended. Anyhow. Let me finish this concept, I will come on. See, understand this one thing. The 4D experience does not mean it is a reality. Now, this whole world is like a 4D. You are experiencing this in 4 dimensions. The moment you enter into the dream state, that becomes 4D and this becomes black and white. Fade, like Indian Doordarshan. And the moment you come here, in this level, in this frequency, that becomes black and white. Now we should understand, just because we experience something in 4D, it does not mean it is a reality. It is reality. And when you leave the body, this whole thing will disappear. This whole thing will become just like a dream. And you will wake up to a higher level reality. You will wake up to the higher level reality. When you wake up to the higher level reality, only your conscious experience can stay in your memory. If you had at least one glimpse of conscious experience, let me explain this word conscious experience. If you experienced at least one moment of thoughtless awareness, means you achieve what has to be achieved in the life. Thoughtless awareness, one moment of samadhi.